Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learnex. Today's topic is Vlookup for beginners. In this video, we will learn how to apply basic Vlookup formula. Now let's get started. I have some employee data related to their salary. Now we want to source the net salary of particular employee. If we have large table, it is difficult to find by scrolling down in the sheet, right? So we can make it very easy with the help of Vlookup. Now we are going to apply the Vlookup. For this, uh, is equal to Vlookup. Here is Vlookup value. Lookup value is basically the value of which we want the details or we want the data, right? And comma, next is table array. Our table array is this. Table array is basically the table from which we want the data, right? mm, we need to fix it because it should not be changed, right? Next is our call index number. It means in which column number the intended data is exist. So our data is exist at column number 12. So press 12 comma, because we want the exact match, so press 0 and close the bracket and enter. Here we will enter the lookup value. Suppose we want Anisha, right? Just copy and paste Anisha. You will get her net salary. You can also make a drop down list of the employee. So for this, just go to the data tab and go to the data validations, then select the list, then select the employee's name, right? Then press OK. You will get the list here, right? So you can search any employee's net salary, right? We can say Silpa, Javed. You can anyone's net salary by entering their name here, right? So this is the end of the video. If you like it, please press the like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon for more interesting video. At the end, thanks for watching.